Hi there, I'm back with a video on my C20 to K20 conversion. I got the rear all done. I'm just sitting in the truck, gonna start it and move it down in the driveway a little bit, and then I'll show you the exterior of it, how it sits now with the final conversion done. It is 21 degrees out here. I was driving the truck yesterday, so actually has gas in the carb this time, so I didn't have to crank it over for a bit. And see, my choke isn't working the greatest, so it has a tendency to start to load up a little bit. Kind of clears it right up. See, I got the front bumper put on. Did that yesterday. I'm gonna put some LED lights in the old turn signal holes. So you got the converted over in the front. Get a farther distant shot so you can see how it sits now. Not riding low in the back like it was before I converted the rear. I'll show you how everything's bolted in the rear. Painted the frame with some paint over rust primer after wire brushing it. I did get the driver's side cab corner and rocker panel put in. I didn't do the final body work or anything on it, just painted it enough so I could use it again. Put a new gas tank in. The other one had some rust holes on the seam. shocks. Still haven't been able to find a bed for it. I got bed sides, but actually put the 4-leaf setup in the front for the springs to help hold the plow, and in the rear actually I still use the original springs from when it was 2-wheel drive, so didn't even really touch that. It has basically all new bushings all around. I used polyurethane from the PST kit in the rear shackles area, but for the front the bushings wouldn't fit. I had to actually get new rubber stock bushings in the front spring eyes on both sides in the rear, and then the front springs are the same way, where they, since I bought new leaf springs for it, they had stock rubber bushings in the front spring eyes, and then in the rear they, for the shackle, they got the PST polyurethane ones in it. Or other than that, I actually got, I want to put a cup holder on my transmission tunnel there. And the seat's out of a newer 80s truck. And there are my plow controls. New tires, they're like a 235/80 5/16. Nothing real wide. I wanted something tall and narrow. Figured it'd probably go through the snow a little better. But we'll get the plow sitting over here for when we do get some snow. Kind of hoping we don't. But thought I'd make a video on updating what I've got, how far I am on this. It might be a while before I do another one on it. But so far I really like it being 4-wheel drive now. It's more useful to me. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Bye.